Hello and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. We're outside Nova Gorica railway station. We'll see that properly in a nice video shortly, as soon as we finish having our evening meal, which is Burek, cheese Burek. My wife is having meat Burek over there. Dinner in the car. Classic. There's a diesel rail car came in before but was busy eating, so if it leaves in another direction we might even catch it. Buon appetito! This is a Reagan. Tanker wagons. If you want to see really classic old school diesel trains, come to Nova Gorica.
It's a video.
Burek is fantastic. It's kind of pastry with cheese. I like cheese Burek. You have meat Burek and spinach Burek, but Burek.
My meat Burek was good.
It was good? Yeah. I prefer the cheese one. It's also a bit less messy to eat in the car. Cheerio. See you next time.